So we've looked at the pec. We've also looked at trying to get loaded in that top position, but sometimes you just need to build up that lower and mid trap strength in and of itself. And these are some basic exercises to help you do it, but with a little bit of a twist. And I say that in jest because it involves external rotation. So I'm sure many of you guys have seen kind of these exercises, often called the Ys. You got the Ts where you're out inside. Well, they did some research looking at this, and they saw that EMG activity shows that you need to have your arm continue to go into external rotation. So rotating it back, basically the action of moving your thumb posteriorly. So a good exercise to start trying to hit that middle trap is that T exercise, but rotate sideways and then lifting up. The way this works is by rotating my thumb backwards, you'll see that my shoulder posteriorly rotates. It rocks back this way, which turns off my upper trap, which means that my lower and mid traps can actually do their job. One other exercise you can do is called the side lying flexion exercise. So in this position, arm starts at the side, and then from there you're just sweeping it forward like this. Not so much external rotation, but watch what happens. As I lift my arm up, I've got the force kind of matching my upper trap. I get midway, now it's matching my mid trap. And then I get a little bit higher, now it's matching my lower trap. And that's how you work the entire trap out. Final exercise looks like a rotator cuff exercise. Your arm's going to be by your side, and then you're going to rotate back, but really watch what happens to my shoulder blade. I'm taking it here, but then I'm retracting it back, which is going to help me out with getting that external rotation to turn off the upper trap, but also allow me to retract to get that middle trap. You should really squeeze at the top of that motion there. Now that's not all we have to do. We've got to get back into that meaningful position, which is a little bit higher up with our arm. That's next.